Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the Ethernet speed is capped at 100 Mbps on Windows, then please watch this video. Now, before anything else, check if your router is compatible because older routers usually cap the speed at 100 Mbps. And the best way to do so is to check the maximum speed on your phone. The next one is to check for the internet plan. Does it actually support a higher than 100 Mbps? Have you taken that plan and are you getting it on other devices? If yes, then the third one is to check the cable. Now I'll tell you why. Because it mentions that the Ethernet speed is capped at 100 Mbps. And you know what? If it was Wi-Fi, it would be around 95 to 99, 98 Mbps. But if you are using a direct Ethernet cable connected to your router and you have a 100 Mbps plan and the network is stable at 100 Mbps, then you will get 100 Mbps, but not more than that if your LAN cable does not allow that. So you'll have to get a more expensive LAN cable, but that doesn't cost a lot. You can go to amazon.com and then search for Ethernet cable and buy one of the expensive ones. You don't need a long one, but you need an expensive one. Okay, so you can buy any of these. Basically, you can adjust the length accordingly. These days, most of the cables allow quite a good speed. Like this one says 10 Gbps. Okay, so Mbps compared to Gbps, that's a huge difference, and it just costs $9 for a 50 feet cable. Okay, so this is the case. And lastly, if you have made sure that everything is done, but the issue is at the software level, then you'll have to select the highest band. Search for, I'll tell you, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on this, select properties, go to the advanced tab, and we'll find something called as 802.1.1. Now the value should be placed at the highest one. Place it at whatever is at number one. The highest speed these days is the AX1. The next one is AC, which is also very good standard, but it is the second highest these days. And then comes N. All these C will support internet speeds for Ethernet cable above 100 Mbps, so you can select any one of them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.